Genetics.
Ay, ito po.
Ngaw-ngaw to. 17 years old, guys.
Ako po nga si Grant Neri and I'm 17 years old and
Okay.
70 kilograms. So, ito po, coach.
70
Okay
kg.
lang. Yes. Okay lang po ba yung lighting dito, coach?
Yeah, okay naman. Check. Alisin mo muna yung damit mo para makita natin kung okay yung lighting.
Ay, ito, coach.
Ngaw-ngaw to. 17 years old, guys. Okay.
Yes, coach.
Grabe. O, harap ka muna, bro. Harap. Side ka nga, side.
Okay, coach.
Kita niyo yung shoulder niya, broad na broad, oh. Talikod. Sige, piga. Grabe. Ganda ng likod, no? Kita mo yung Christmas tree niya. Okay. Kapal din nandun na, pero konting kapal sa may part ng cowboy. Isang harap pa nga. Double bicep ka nga, brother. Genetics, kung genetics, grabe. Ang ganda ng katawan na ito. Ang ganda ng genetics. Baba ng body. Patingin ang traps mo. Patingin ang traps. Okay, very good. Good job. 17 years old. Amazing build, bro. Amazing. Okay, so how many weeks ka na, or months ka na, or years ka na nag-workout?
Actually, coach, I've been starting working out, going to the gym consistently 1 year ago, January 2024.
1 year. Total.
Yes. Total
Okay,
po.
so kamusta yung naging progress mo? How's the progress in a year?
Yung progress ko all of the year is bulk ako ng bulk and I've been tracking my protein out. Lagi ako nang kakain ng itlog, coach eh. Mga isda, I hit my protein intake. Like ganun, coach. Sometimes nagano po, coach eh. Nagda-dirty bulk. And ngayon po, coach. After this magba-back workout din ako.
Okay. But do you track your macros?
Yes, coach. I've been tracking my protein.
Just the protein.
Protein, fats, and my calories.
Okay, on point. Which is good.
Yeah.
Okay, yan
Let's go.
guys ha. Makikita nyo, yung sinasabi ko, if you do track your macros, most likely magiging maganda talaga yung result. Kasi on point eh. Because you know kung ano yung mga pangangailangan ng katawan mo kasi fats, carbs, and protein. Pag nakatrack yung macros mo, on point ka doon, so most likely sa tama or sapat yung pinapasok mong nutrients sa katawan mo na pangangailangan niya based dun sa goal mo. Okay, let's start with your physique. Amazing, bro. Yun lang ang sabi ko. You have a nice physique, bro, at 17 years old. Ganyan yung physique. Grabe. Okay, but of course, magbabanggit lang ako ng mga body part na siguro, actually, you have everything na. Okay na yung physique mo, bro. Itong babanggitin kong mga body parts is konting retouch, kumbaga. Okay? Siguro, konting effort sa upper chest. Konting upper chest. With your back, bro, yung lapad, nandun na yung lapad. Yung lower back mo, actually, lumabas yung Christmas tree mo kanina eh. Sobrang baba ng body parts mo. You have a nice lower back. I think konting effort dun sa kapal ng likod. Okay?
Okay, coach.
Kasi para pag tumalikod ka, pag next mo yung likod mo, hindi lang puro lapad. Dapat yung kapal na andun din.
Yung dagdag pa rin yung muscles.
Exactly. But overall, bro, kaya nga sabi ko, amazing physique. You have a nice physique and do you have any plan to compete?
Oh, coach, actually, I've been planning to join competition. Kaya nga, I've been telling my friends, what if magsasali ako ng competition? Kaya nga, they say, go for it. Well, I don't know. It might be my first time because I don't know how to start, but I must inquire some competition here dito sa place namin. So I've been trying as soon as possible. I'm gonna look for it. I'm from coach, Cagayan de Oro City, Mindanao.
Pero may accent ka, no?
Opo, coach.
Why?
Ano lang ba ako? Pure Filipino.
pero yung accent mo parang seems like you came from different country tapos nandito ka. But dito ka lang talaga sa Pinas.
Oh, coach. Majority of the people I've met, they thought I'm a foreigner, but no, I'm not.
Okay.
Coach, hindi po ako full-time mo yung Tagalog eh. Bisaya ako ng Bisaya. Kaya nga, nag-English lang po ako dito.
I see. Okay. Akala ko naman foreigner ka or I thought you came from different place naman or different country. But anyway, since you have the plan na mag-compete, brother, good. Actually, it's a perfect time for you this year.
Yes.
Para sa akin, you have a nice genes you have a nice body.
Thank you,
So
Coach.
perfect approach if there's someone there na pwedeng mag-assist sa'yo, coaches na marunong tumulong sa'yo, okay, para mag-prep dun sa target mong competition much better.
Yes,
Okay?
Coach.
That's the perfect
Yes.
thing. You need to hire a coach or if you have someone there or kaibigan na coach na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo sa journey mo para mag-prepare dun sa specific competition much better.
Yes, tama yun, Coach. Sige.
And then while wala ka pang coach, siguro what I do really recommend is just be consistent right now.
Yes,
Okay, kung ano
Coach.
yung ginagawa mo, just be consistent, linisin mo lagi yung pagkain mo, and then doon sa workout, continuous lang, para every time, or once na, let's say, for example, nakapag-decide ka, na lalaro ka na, or magkukumpit ka na, konting-konting adjustment na lang, because you have a nice, kumbaga, condition na yung katawan mo.
Talaga.
Okay?
Yes, Coach.
Do you have any
My
more
pleasure.
questions?
None so far, Coach.
Okay.
Salamat po talaga.
Brother. Hope na mabalikan mo ako after a couple of months once na pag-decide.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you,
No
Coach. Thank you,
problem.
Coach.
God bless.
Bless.
Thank you.